Hi everyone, welcome back. My name's Dom.
My name's Nicole.
And we are both instructors for the City of London.
Last night I had the weirdest dream.
What kind of dream did you have?
I was on the beach and I fell asleep, and when I woke up I was surrounded by jellyfish.
Oh, jellyfish. Why don't we use that as our craft today?
That's a good idea, Dom. So Dom, what supplies do we need for today?
Well, we're gonna start off with a paper plate.
Looks like we need some string,
Some yellow paint,
something to make holes with,
googly eyes,
a pair of scissors,
and some glitter. Let's get started. So the first thing you're going to need is a paper plate, and you're going to cut that in half.
Once you have your semicircle, you're going to begin punching holes in the bottom.
Once your holes are punched, you're going to paint your jellyfish. Now you can paint it any color you want, but we chose to do yellow.
Next, you're going to cut a piece of string about the length of a ruler, one for each of the holes that you've created, and they're going to be your tentacles. Once you've punched your holes in the bottom, you're going to take your string and tie them as knots so they look like tentacles.
Once you have your jellyfish painted, your yarn string through the holes. Next, you're going to add some googly eyes.
As a last optional step, you can decorate it however you want. So we decided to add some glitter, but you can also decorate with beads or add extra googly eyes to make them a monster jellyfish.
Thank you everyone for joining us. We hope you like your jellyfish just as much as we do.
We'll see you guys next time for another craft.
Bye everyone.